In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a camera on BlueStacks. This process is straightforward, so don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll take it step by step, making sure you understand each part. Let's get started. First, if you are using an external camera, connect your webcam to your computer. Make sure it is functioning correctly within Windows. You can do this by opening the camera app on your computer. If you see yourself on the screen, your camera is ready to go. This initial step is crucial because if your camera doesn't work in Windows, it won't work in BlueStacks either. Once your camera is connected and confirmed to be working, the next step is to open BlueStacks. You can find BlueStacks in your applications or by searching for it in your Windows search bar. Double-click the BlueStacks icon to launch it. This emulator allows you to run Android applications on your PC, and being able to use your camera enhances the experience significantly. After BlueStacks is open, look for the Settings gear icon located on the right sidebar. Click on this gear icon to access the Settings menu. This is where you'll customize your BlueStacks experience, including camera settings. Making adjustments here is important because it ensures your camera is set up correctly for your apps. Next, in the Settings menu, select the Devices tab. This section allows you to manage various devices connected to BlueStacks, including your camera. By selecting this tab, you are taking a crucial step to ensure that BlueStacks recognizes your camera and can use it effectively. Under the Camera section, you will see options for selecting the camera you want to use. If you have multiple cameras connected, choose the one you intend to use. This step is vital because it directs BlueStacks to the correct camera, ensuring you can use it without issues in your apps later on. Once you have made your selection, click the Save Changes button. This action confirms your settings and applies the changes you just made. You will see a brief confirmation message assuring you that your settings have been saved. Remember, if you don't save your changes, BlueStacks will use the default settings, which may not be what you want. Now it's time to open the system apps within BlueStacks. You can do this by either finding the camera app or launching any application that utilizes the camera, such as Instagram, Snapchat, or Zoom. By doing this, you'll be able to test if your camera is functioning correctly in the context of an app. This helps you ensure that everything is set up properly before diving into using the applications. If prompted, allow the app to access your camera. This permission is necessary for the app to use the camera features effectively. Without granting this access, you may encounter limitations while using the app. It's a simple step, but it's essential for a seamless user experience. If you run into any issues where your camera does not work, check a few things. Make sure it is not being used by another application. Verify that Windows camera permissions are enabled, and consider updating your camera drivers if needed. If you have multiple cameras, you can switch the default camera at any time by revisiting Settings, then Devices, and finally Camera. By following these steps, you should have your camera set up and ready to use in BlueStacks. Thank you for watching and enjoy your experience using a camera in BlueStacks.